跳舞. This one's easy. It's like 请, like 请你吃饭, right? But with a T. T and ing. Ting. Let's try that 3 times. Ting. 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 Excellent. Alright, next we have 音乐. And 音乐 is the word for music. So this gives first timers a problem. Yin, this I-N sounds like the in as in teen, and you put a Y before it, so you come up with the yin. 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 In its first tone. Yin. Let's try that 3 times. Yin. 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 Now this yue, you've seen this before because it sounds the same, exactly the same pronunciation and pinyin as yue for month, for the word for month. But of course you'll notice the character is written differently. And so this U is like that French U, so your lips are pursed, just like the U in chu, to go somewhere, chu. But U, and then the E on the end sounds like the E in bet. So you come up with yue, yue. So let's try that 3 times. Yue, yue, yue. Now let's put it together. Yin yue, yin yue, yin yue. Great. This is a pretty simple one. We more fun with the curled tongue. Curl your tongue for the SH, sh, and then the U sounds like oo as in two, so you come up with shu. Kind of sounds like the shoe you put on your foot, but your tongue is curled. Shu. Let's try that 3 times. First tone. Shu, shu, shu. Excellent. This always causes problems for beginners. Dui, dui. Dui means right or correct. Dui. So here we have a D sound, and the U kind of sounds like oo. Or better yet, the UI together in pinyin sounds like an oo-e. This is the e in bet. Yue. A. Ue. Sorry, I'm mixing. Oo-a. Oo-a. It doesn't sound like the A as in bet, like I just said. It sounds like the A in like ABC. Ue. With a D. Due. Dui. Fourth tone. Let's try that 3 times. Dui. 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 Excellent. Here's Yoda, and this is the word for some, and you know how to pronounce these two. Let's just try the word together. Yoda. 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 Don't say Yoda like Yoda in Star Wars. Chinese will have no idea what you're saying. Third tone, yo, a little pause, and then da. Yoda. Yoda. Great. 时候. This is the word for a word for time. 时候. So you know how 时 is pronounced, except this one is the second tone. And you have H, and then the OU in pinyin sounds like the O, and tow, like to tow a vehicle. So you come up with ho, 时候. So let's just put that all together. 时候, 时候, 时候. Excellent. Alright, Dian we went over a few slides back. In Ying, it's like the yi as in yield, yi. Maybe if I put another e there, yi, like the yi in yield, ying with an ng on the end. So since you're familiar with dian, let's just put these together. third tone here. Let's go. 电影电影电影 Excellent. So this is sounds, pinyin is the same and the pronunciation is the same as cheng in 唱歌, except it's second tone instead of fourth tone. And it's repeated. Chang, chang. So let's try that together. 3 times. Chang, chang. Chang, chang. Chang, chang. Excellent. Here is chu. So here we have chu, and the Q, sounds like a CH without the tongue curl, chu. And then you have the French U, where your lips are pursed and you move the sound up into your lips. U, U, chu, in its fourth tone. So let's try that 3 times. Chu, chu, chu. Excellent. Okay, I think you've seen this pronunciation, W-A-I. It sounds like Y, but it's fourth tone and then guo. This is the word for foreign country. Y guo. Y guo. So let's try that 3 times. Y guo. Y guo. Y guo. Excellent. Okay, these pronunciations you've seen before. 请 is to invite. 客 means guest. So 请客 means that you're inviting someone to do something. Let's try that 3 times. 请客请客请客 Excellent. 昨天, this is the word for yesterday. So this 昨 sounds like door, but with a Z. So instead of door, you're saying 昨. And whenever I'd say door means more, right? Door, I think of the way, someone with a Boston accent might say the word door. Open the door. Kind of sounds like that, reminds me of it. Door, 昨, and then make the second tone. 昨 in 天. So let's try it together. 昨天昨天昨天 And finally we have 所以, which means so. So 所 is just like the door in the 昨, but it's with an S and it's third tone. And then E, you're familiar with this pinyin. 2 third tones together, so this one's gonna change to a second tone. 所以. So let's try that 3 times. 所以所以所以 Excellent. That concludes this Pronounce It video for Unit 10.